When I was a kid, I wanted to grow up. I thought elders had freedom to do anything. Now that I have reached at a certain point in my life where I have to take decisions not just for myself but for others, I wish I could go back to be a kid who did not care much about anything, who would rather make a paper boat than build a concrete jungle, who would not have to go through how we treat each other right now, how we discriminate each other out of caste, religion, gender, and color, how we have turned religion into war and the nations fight against each other, how our social media life has taken over our actual life and rape is a common word, how we don't stand for what is right, but we stand by a political leader who is nowhere near the truth.